Hello everyone and welcome to the Twitter in 10 Challenge video series, Video 1. Educators are extremely busy, but if you give us 10 minutes a day for 10 days, we'll help you develop a professional learning network using Twitter. Twitter in 10 is a series of 5-minute videos that you can watch on your own time, and then take 5 minutes to put into practice what you just learned in the video. My name is Greg Schollenberger, and I'm an assistant principal here at Ephrata Intermediate Middle School in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. You can connect with me on Twitter at @gschollenberger, or if you have questions or comments about the Twitter in 10 series, feel free to email twitterin10@gmail.com or connect with us on Twitter at twitin10, that's TWITIN10, or also use the hashtag twitin10. Our goal with this series is to help educators be connected online, because we all have something that we can share and also learn from each other. Video 1 is going to help you get signed up and set up for Twitter. So if you haven't already, go ahead and open a web browser and go to twitter.com. You're going to click sign up once you're there, and it's going to ask you for your full name, a phone or email, and it's going to want a password for your Twitter account. You can also check or uncheck this Tailor Twitter box if you would like it to look at your recent web visits to see what kind of things you search for. It will help recommend people and things that you can follow on Twitter. I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that for now. It's going to create your account. It's going to ask if you want a phone number attached to the account, which you can either put in or skip. And then it's also going to ask you to set up a username. And this is going to be your handle on Twitter. So we'll go with twit-in10 demo here. I've already got the twit-in10 Twitter account set up. And we can say next. And then we're all set and we're logged into Twitter. It's going to walk you through a demo and explain some things about Twitter. So we start with Let's Go here on the first screen. And it's going to want you to select things that you are interested in. And from this, then it will recommend things that you can, things and people that you can follow. We're going to go ahead and punch in a couple things here. I'd like to search education because this is an education. And then we're going to add education to things that we like. I'm also going to type in teacher, as well as you can type in any subject area that you might be interested in. And this will help Twitter find people, companies, and hashtags. It'll recommend things for you based on some of the things that you're putting in here that you like. So once you've loaded in a couple of those, you can go ahead and hit continue. And it's going to ask you in step 3 if you want it to find friends based on your email contacts. This is up to you whether you want to connect these and import contacts from one of these. I am not going to do that at this time, so I'm going to say no thanks. And then it's going to come back and it's going to show me a list of teacher recommendations that it would suggest I start following. You can look down through these. Some of these may interest you, some of these might not interest you at all. You can make the choice whether you want to select them all and it'll automatically make you follow all of them when you join in, or you can uncheck select all and go down through and maybe click a couple that interest you to follow. So at this point we're going to unclick, and as you can see here it's doing it based on each of the search terms that I put in earlier. So there's teacher, and then I have science and math and so on. So you can go down through and look at each of those. I'm going to go ahead and just continue for now by saying continue, and never miss a Twitter notification by turning them on in your browser. Initially this may be okay, but eventually as you build your network, this notification may get a little annoying. So I'm actually not going to turn on notifications. If you wanted to turn it on, you could. And you can do that later on the profile screen. So I'm going to say not now. Once you've got that set up, it's going to get you logged in and get you started. This is the basic home page for Twitter. You've got your timeline down the middle, which has nothing in it right now, but that's where all your followers or the people that you follow, you'll see all their tweets. as well as all the different features that go with Twitter, which we'll use some future videos to explain how this stuff works and get you set up even further. For now, the only homework that I'm going to give you, because we're a little over 5 minutes already here, is up here in the profile and settings egg that you see here. I am going to challenge you for homework before video 2 to go into your profile and click on this little camera button here to add an avatar or picture of yourself. In addition to that, I'd like to see you download the app to your phone or tablet and get that set up as well with your Twitter account. I'd like to thank everybody for watching video 1. If you have any questions, feel free to email me twitterinten@gmail.com or try and connect with me on Twitter if you want to try and figure that out. If not, we'll definitely be showing you how to do that in the upcoming videos, as well as show you how to send your first tweet, as well as use a hashtag in video 2. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great week.